Hello everyone, today I'm working on one of my Patreon sneak peek dolls, which are now available in my Etsy shop. This one is using a Ghoulia Yelps. Last year I did a custom Monica Decay with green eyes and green lips, and I really liked how she turned out, so I thought I'd give it a try on a Ghoulia. But Ghoulia is probably my very least favorite to customize. She's actually my favorite Monster High doll because I love her coloring, I love her red glasses and blue hair, and just really love the character that she's a zombie. But customizing her is another story. It's really difficult for me because her eyes are more of an almond shape, and I tend to like to make bigger, rounder eyes, so I kind of fight that. So here I'm kind of fighting the shape and trying to make it more of something in my style. Her lips are also pretty challenging because they're thinner lips and they're kind of open a little bit, and it just makes it a little hard to make different kinds of shapes and designs. But overall, I really love Ghoulia, and I really did like the way that she turned out. So starting out, as usual, I started out with about 3 coats of Mr. Super Clear. The humidity is pretty bad right now. I'm in North Carolina, so, well, it's pretty hot everywhere in the country anyway. But in North Carolina right now, we're in the high 90s, or some days are in the high 90s, so in really high humidity, and so I have to be pretty careful with the Mr. Super Clear. More than usual, I've noticed. I kind of have to hold the can farther away, give really light mists, make sure it dries by leaving it out for probably at least 30 minutes before I start working on it. And usually I don't have to wait that long. I'm using my pan pastels for the lips here and giving a little highlight on the bottom lip with a little bit of white. And a little black at the corners of the mouth. And once I got that shading done, I go back in with some pencil to darken up some areas and give it some better shape. And once I finished with the pencil and pastel, I really liked how it looked, and I think next time I do a Ghoulia, I'll leave her lips matte. And I'm thinking I might like that better. You'll see several times I changed her eyebrows throughout this video, probably 3 times. I had about 3 different shapes of eyebrows. I was just kind of struggling with what kind of expression I wanted her to have. So this is the first set of eyebrows. And she was kind of with kind of a confused expression maybe, and then I did more of a surprised expression, and then at the end was just kind of a softer look. And that's what I went with. So I'll let you enjoy the rest of this speed paint. If you're interested in any of these Patreon sneak peek dolls, they're at a lower price point on my Etsy shop. And at the time that I'm recording this video, I think there are a few left. If you're interested in a commission, you can join my wait list by either emailing me or messaging me on social media. Those links, as well as the Etsy site link, are in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!